for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, cloth seats, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.